Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy banana bread. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Begin by mashing 3 very ripe bananas until they have a chunky applesauce consistency. Then, in a large bowl, cream together 8 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Finally, mix in the mashed bananas and 2 large, lightly beaten eggs until everything is just blended. Now, let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Once combined, gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients. Stir gently until everything is just incorporated. Remember, it is crucial not to overmix the batter, as this helps ensure your banana bread remains wonderfully moist and tender. To elevate the flavor, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you enjoy extra texture, now is the time to fold in 1 cup of chopped walnuts and 1/2 cup of sweet raisins. Once your batter is ready, pour it evenly into your prepared 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Bake it in the preheated oven for approximately 55 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. After baking, let your delicious banana bread rest in the loaf pan for about 10 minutes. This brief cooling period helps it set beautifully. Then, carefully transfer the warm loaf to a wire rack to cool completely before slicing. Once cooled, you can cut it into 10 generous servings. Enjoy your incredibly moist, flavorful, and easy-to-make banana bread, perfect for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.